Ciao Tesla people, today I have some more PPF to install. If you remember, maybe a couple of weeks ago, I installed some PPF on the front lights here. And this time I have the same kit, but I figured out there is a different size of the transparent PPF for the lower lights. And this time the PPF is from Tesery.com. I have a discount code, 10% off, again, code Ciao Tesla. So I'm going to install that because I wasn't too happy about the installation I did last time. So let's check it out. If you remember, I had some problems with this light, okay? This and the other one, where the PPF is going inside. Let me show you here. You see this PPF? And I don't have the right tools to fix this. You see here, it goes all the way down to the edge. I'm not that great of installer PPF, so this DY kit, a pre-cut, and I guess they cut it a bit too long. Of course, if you're really good at installing PPF, this is not an issue. You can, I try to do this. You can squeeze it in. I tried to do this, but it didn't work. And that's because I'm not that great at installing PPF. So this new kit looks like they cut it right on the edge, and so it shouldn't overlap. Okay, so I'm going to remove this and install the new one. So I'm going to show you. Let me put you down here, right there. Okay, so you can see. Yeah, right there. So I'm going to remove this guy first. Okay. Of course, now it doesn't want to remove. So these kits are pretty easy to install it. But of course, since they are pre-cut, you don't always have a consistency of the cut. There is. And that, you know, it's sometimes you end up with longer PPF, like a bit longer PPF. You see, it's giving me issues on removing it right now. And sometimes it's fine. So this might just being picky, okay? It's not that the PPF is not working. It's me that I want it to be right, perfect, at least for my level of installation. Okay. There it is. If you see, it goes underneath. And I don't have the right tools. Maybe I need to buy the right tools to install it. And if you notice, you can tell here it went to the edge because it's not attached. There's the glue. Okay, so let's remove this guy. Let's give it a good clean. Okay. Want to clean the edges really good. And then good clean here. Okay, looks good. Okay, okay. Now let's give it some soap and water as usual. And let's get the PPF. Okay, it came again in a roll, and this is the PPF. They're all pretty much the same. These rolls, so they're pretty easy to install. I mean, I'm being very picky, let's say. Okay, and yep. So this time it fits perfectly, you see? Nice, okay. Let me get the squeegee. So the box comes with a squeegee and the PPF roll and the small bottle. They are pretty much the same, but the cut sometimes is not the same. And on the edge, like that. Very good. And then move it down. That's it. I mean, you see, when when the cut is perfect, it takes really no effort to install it. It's pretty simple. Nice. Oh, that's it. Very simple. Okay, looks good. Let's see if I give it a dry. So I can remove the bubble. Oh, I moved it. Okay. Okay, let's do the other one, and then I'll come back to just finish it. The other ones. Okay. I mean, you see, I just need to finish this guy here, and this here is pretty much done. So let's do the other one. Let me put you down here. Yep. So that's the, yeah, here again. Let me show you. So the edge, they all came out. See? You see? The edge. And so they stay. That means that in time, they will, the PPF will come out because it's not attached on the sides, right? You see here. Unfortunately, I don't have the right tools. There, you see, there is. But you can tell it protects here the dirt. Okay. So let me get a good clean. Oh, nice. I mean, it's not a difficult job. It's a pain. It just be patient, and then of course, if you have the cut perfectly cut, there's no problem. But this case, I noticed this issue. So fortunately, Tesery.com sent me a new PPF kit to install, and so I keep the other ones as a backup, and I can fix this guy. Very good. I don't know if they're done by the same companies, but this looks like it fits perfectly. So good, no? Okay, so now the other one is on the other side, unfortunately. Oh no, it's right here. Very good. Well, it looks like that these kits are different because all this PPF for these lights were attached on the side, and instead the other one they mimic the entire lights. So it looks like the companies are different. That's why there's also a difference in the cut. Interesting. I thought it was all the same, but instead it's not, which is good. Okay, let me give it a spray a bit more. And let's put this on. Very good. There it is. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I have to buy the right tools. If I want to install PPF, I need to get the right tools. This squeegee is okay for this type of jobs, but if you want to install more PPF, you need to have better tools. There is, you see? Just a touch here on the edges, but this is done. And you see, there is no overlap, overboarding, which that was the whole point. Very cool. Very nice. Very happy. It was a bit annoying. Anyway, so check out this new PPF kit. It comes with the roll, with the all the lights, and comes with the squeegee, this guy, and a little bottle for soap. But I use my own my own spray bottle. Again, I'm going to put the links in the description. Thanks again to Tesery.com. And I have discount code Ciao Tesla for 10% off. The link's in the description. If you saw, it takes like probably 10 minutes to install it. It's not difficult. And unfortunately, it depends on which kit you get, if you get this overlap or not, overboard or not. But you know, this one looks good. Okay, so check it out. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, to notification, share it, comment, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.